Welcome to Section 8 of Assemble's Getting Started tutorial. Information in Assemble can be easily shared in a number of formats. This section reviews how to export information from Assemble so that you can integrate this data into your VDC and estimating workflows. The model inventory, including its grouping and columns, exports directly to an Excel workbook or a Navisworks search set. Any view or variance run from the compare feature can also be exported to either format. In addition, data added to an Excel workbook that originates from an export from Assemble can be uploaded back into the database, providing your team with another form of collaboration and data population. Let's start by learning how to export to Excel. First, we'll set up a door schedule to demonstrate how groups and columns export directly to Excel. Open the COBie Office sample project and select the Office A model. Next, select Doors from the model tree and change the visibility to hide others. This will display only the doors in the inventory and the model viewer. Next, let's regroup our information. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Group By and choose Level Type for our grouping. Next, select the Columns tool directly above the inventory, and let's delete all of our existing columns. Let's choose columns associated with the door category. Start by entering Area Assemble, Door Material, Mark, Type Mark, Fire Rating, Function, and URL. Then click Done. You'll notice our columns change to reflect the choices we made in the dialog. To export to Excel, click on the Import/Export button in the upper right-hand corner of the inventory and choose Export to Microsoft Excel. Verify the file name you'd like to export to, and then choose whether you'd like to include instances. If you'll be using the file to upload data back into Assemble, you'll need to include instances upon export. Next, click Export. You'll notice our groupings and columns export directly to Microsoft Excel. There's a few additional columns, Source ID and Model Version ID. These columns are required for importing back into Excel. In the next video, we'll look at how to modify the data in the Excel spreadsheet and import it back into Assemble.